Welcome to LTO Press Conference. We would like to thank our dedicated media friends for joining us today, even for a holiday today. Your presence means a lot to us. We have with us today our LTO Chief Assistant Secretary, Attorney Vigor E. Mendoza II. Good morning, sir. Executive Director, Attorney Greg G. Gua Jr. Good morning, po. Our Chief of Intelligence and Investigation Division, Mr. Renante G. Medpate. Good morning. And our personnel from IIB. Representatives from Eastern Insurance Company. Good morning, po. Attorney Amante Capuchino, Legal Counsel of Hermano Sugar and Wine Company, owner of Kraft. Good morning, po. Our agenda today is about insurance matters related to Katipunan flyover incident. Before we open the floor, please be reminded of the following rules. Kindly wait for Asek Mendoza to finish explaining before asking questions. Please raise your hand and state your name and the media organization you represent before asking a question. Keep your questions clear and concise and directly related to the topic being discussed. Now we would like to open the floor